This clingy parrot's name is Connie, and she loves massages more than anything. Every day, despite spending most of her time eating, playing, and showering, right before bed, she always looks for her owner and asks him for a massage, as if he were her personal therapist. However, because Connie is so clingy and always demands a massage every night, her owner decides to teach her how to massage herself by using her claws to press the right spots on her body. But something unexpected happens when Connie discovers that her feather quill makes the perfect massage tool. Now, instead of using her claw, she spends all day massaging herself with her own feather quill without bothering her owner, and she looks totally satisfied. Take a look.